Let's talk about Instagram, specifically your profile bio. What should it say? Your likes, your dislikes, your achievements, where you live, all of the above. The problem I see with a lot of people's bios is they're not specific enough. And in the Instagram world, your bio is prime real estate. You only have 150 characters to let a potential follower know if they should follow you or not. For many, you say a couple things, you slap up a couple of emojis, and call it done. Well, that might work for people who know you in real life. If you're trying to turn a stranger into a follower, we have to do a little bit better. So, what are you supposed to say in your bio? Well, there's no set in stone formula, but I found there to be 7 key factors for a bio that turns to followers and fundage. Factor number 1, your photo. Now this is important. You want to make sure you either show your beautiful smiling face or a close-up photo of you looking to the side at your profile information, or if you're a company, you could opt to use your logo, but you have to make sure your logo looks good and clear, even when it's super duper tiny. Next up, easy enough, your name. So your name very well could be the exact same as your Instagram handle. However, if it's different, feel free to put it there. Factor 3, your title. Your title is what you do. Are you a Pilates instructor, a real estate agent, an artist? That's your title. Factor 4, which I believe to be the most important, is who do you help or serve and how do you help them? This is where a lot of people get it wrong and they make their bio all about themselves. It needs to be benefit driven for your potential follower to actually follow you. So a few examples are, you want to think, who am I helping, who am I serving, and then how am I helping them? So if you're a fitness instructor that works with new moms, you can say, I help new moms shed those last 10 pounds. Maybe you're an acupuncturist who specializes in working with athletes. You can say, I heal injured athletes using acupuncture. See? Easy peasy. All right, now the next part is optional, but you might decide to include a couple of fun facts. So for me, I love croissants and I am obsessed with cute yoga pants. So I put that in my bio. For you, maybe you're a dog mom. Maybe you live somewhere interesting. Think of a fact or two that will help people to remember you. Now this is optional because you only have 150 characters, so you might run out of space. Factor number 6, a call to action, commonly known as CTA in the marketing world. So this is benefit driven for your follower. What would you like them to do? You can say, click below to download your free guide, or click below to grab your discount, or click below to grab your free gift. Depending on your industry, depends on what is in it for them, but you want to make sure when that person clicks through to your link, they get something in return. All right, now factor 7, your actual link. So Instagram allows you only to put one website link in your bio, and this can be a bit limiting if you decide only to put your website. So there are a bunch of bio link apps you can get. Just Google bio link app. And from there, you can include all the places that you really want people to visit. Is it your website, your podcast, a free download they could grab, a free resource? All your links can be right there, so it's easy to direct them to exactly where you'd like them to go. All right, now when you're writing your bio, you want to make sure you're writing as simple and clear as possible. Pretend you're explaining what you do to a 10-year-old and write your bio like that. For one, you only have 150 characters, and 2, people consume an overwhelming amount of information every single day. So the easier you can make it so they can understand who you are and what you do, the better. All right, so to recap, your 7 elements are your photo, your name, your title, who you help and how do you help them, optional fun facts, a clear call to action, and lastly, your link. To me, the 2 main goals of your bio is 1, you want to make sure you're attracting the right followers, and 2, of course, you want them to make a purchase or get them on your email list. So tell me, is your bio in need of a makeover? If so, you are in luck. I've created a free guide with you in mind. You can go ahead and click below to download it. I'd love to see your before and afters on Instagram. Go ahead and take a before photo of your bio and an after photo of your bio and share it with me at Jill Marie Franklin on the gram. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week. If you liked this video, please hit like below and don't forget to subscribe.